Cappers, the time is up. Okay, we will now proceed to we will now we will now proceed to our next activity. You will be given a chance in 20 minutes time. Minutes po ang ibibigay sa inyong time for sharing. Meaning in the span of 20 minutes, you will be sharing what you have written on the paper. Sharing po ang nangyayari. So, kung nasa po kayo nakaupo ngayon, yun po ang bahala. The 20 minutes is now running. Okay, campers, you are allowed to find a spot per team kung saan yung mas komportableng pumesto po. Dito lang sa loob po, sa function hall. As per advice po ng ating management, pwede daw po kayo maghanap ng spot ninyo. Once again, to our campers, pwede kayo maghanap ng pwesto within the function hall that you are feeling or you are felt comfortable para mag-share. Yun lamang po.
Laptop ko na kagamitin. Di ba may ito sa tapos okay. Puro na ako may kasi tignan ko rin ang sensitive. Kasi ang sabi dito sa kitty pa magtanong daw natin sa atin. So ano man sana habang gaano sa pagkalakaw? Habang Ems, ano, kumusta?
Okay,
Nahanap na?
sir. Alin, sir? Ano man sa kay... Ay, nasa kay Kuya Ken ba? Clicker. Okay, nasa kay.
Tapos M, siguro aban-aban na bang i-remind kita sa mga speakers per second.
Gayon. Gayon ka dyan na. Ako, ito din ang pamana.
Grabe naman, paano para
Grabe man talaga pa. Kung di nakaubay na, kaya man na yung buho. May pa si Tanner Ross. Ikaubay. Tennis mo.
During sapat na go back si Lord Seeds. Okay, numbers. Just want to commend all of you kasi ginaya yung mag-share. Mag-share ng inyong mga strengths and weaknesses. Kaya, give yourself a tap na para proud ka sa sarili mo. I-count nyo ang inyong mga sarili. And together with your facilitators, yung papel na sinulatan po ninyo ng inyong strengths ay ibibigay niyo po sa fase ninyo. Yung sinulatan lang po ng strength ha, ang maiiwan po sa inyong papel is yung sa inyong weaknesses.
Yan yung ditong program.
Pakikita tayo fases.
Dito program din.
Okay now. The other facilitators, okay. We will wait for the other now. Sa team ng discuss, okay na po. Sa team, okay na po sa strength. Okay. Keep here, okay na. Okay na. We have a closing na. So, alright, now that our activity is done, may we request everyone to settle down. Facilitators, kindly assist in collecting the outputs yung nasa corporate record, yun ang buhay. Okay.
At this juncture, we are pleased to invite our resource speaker for this activity, who will provide us with the significance of why we conduct this activity. She is a PRC board certified physician, a diplomate of the Specialty Board of Philippine Psychiatry, and a fellow of the Philippine Psychiatric Association. She underwent residency training in psychiatry and behavioral medicine at the University of the Philippines, Philippine General Hospital, and received her master's degree in management major in hospital administration from Philippine Christian University. She is a strong advocate of a holistic approach in the treatment of mental health conditions, integrating pharmacotherapy, psychotherapy, and social interventions. She is trained in various psychotherapeutic interventions, namely cognitive behavioral therapy, solution-focused group therapy, basic interpersonal psychotherapy, eye movement desensitization and reprocessing, and training on mental health and psychosocial support. She is a pioneer of specialized mental health care in Catanduanes and currently the department head of the acute psychiatric unit of Eastern Bicol Medical Center. She spearheaded the formalization of the mental health referral system in the province, ensuring that mental health services are available at all levels of care in the health system. Furthermore, she provided significant contributions in provincial legislations aimed at institutionalizing and strengthening the government support on mental health programs and appropriating funds for mental health services in Catanduanes. She is also an active psychiatric consultant at Zwingmed Nova Scotia
Kasi ang nag-send pa lang, ang na-print ko pa lang,
and Immaculate Heart of Mary Hospital, Island of Catanduanes, and is an affiliate consultant of InTouch Community Services. Please join us in welcoming the stage Dr. Russell Copian Sunyeta.
Dito, nabaliktad siya.